We have breaking news coming in, and this is coming out of the elections that have been won by the NDA in the state of Bihar. Of course, it is Piyush Goyal who has spoken about it, but also Supriya Sule there saying that we must introspect as to what went wrong. Is the alliances that have worked as far as the elections in the state is concerned. Supriya Sule there saying that if you look at Bihar's case, well, it is Lalu's vote that hasn't decreased, BJP's vote has not increased, and Congress's vote is exactly where it was. It's the alliance that has worked, and it really varies from state to state. But any loss has to be introspected, and we must introspect on what went wrong. And it is Piyush Goyal on the other side. He's gone on to say that people want politics of development and opportunities and are against nepotism, corruption, and appeasement. Jungle Raj is irrelevant in India, and after this, the NDA is set to win more than 90 seats in the elections coming up in the state of West Bengal. So that is the big West Bengal message that is being put out by Piyush Goyal, and not just for West Bengal, for Tamil Nadu as well, as he has spoken about elections coming up in other states as well.
Laluji's vote has not reduced. BJP's vote is exactly where it was. Congress also vote is exactly where it was. So nobody has gained. It's the alliances that have worked. So Laluji's one vote has also not gone down. Completely his vote bank is intact.
So are you saying the Mahagathbandhan alliance is wrong?
No, we'll have to introspect that. I mean, I will have to speak to the Congress about it, because na Congress के vote कम हुए, ना लालूजी के कम हुए, ना बीजेपी के बढ़े. बीजेपी के वोट बढ़े नहीं है बिहार में, और लालूजी के ना कम हुए, और सबसे ज्यादा वोट लालूजी की पार्टी को ही मिले.